Concrete wins for outdoor spaces. When it comes to patios and outdoor spaces, concrete is one of the best choices you can make. Here's why. First, concrete is extremely durable. It can handle heavy foot traffic, tough weather, and every day. Wear without a problem. Second, it's low maintenance. Unlike wood or other surfaces, you don't need to constantly seal, stain, or repair it. Third, concrete is versatile. It can be stamped, colored, or shaped to match any design you want. Modern, rustic, or anything in between. Fourth, it's cost-effective. Concrete gives you a strong, stylish surface without breaking the bank. And finally, it's built to last. With the right care, a concrete patio can stay beautiful for decades. So if you're looking for a patio that's strong, stylish, and easy to maintain, concrete is the way to go. Ready to upgrade your outdoor space? Contact us today. And let's start building!